Did you know that a simple piece of rope can be a tool for growth? In our art class for children with diverse learning needs, we use the ink and rope technique to help ground our students and sharpen their focus. As they carefully pull the string, the world around them quietens and their attention narrows to the path of the ink. It's a beautiful process of discovery, watching a blank page come to life through intentional, mindful movement. This method is more than just creating a beautiful image. It's a powerful tool for neurodivergent children to build sustained attention and fine motor control, focus and precision. Dragging the ink-soaked rope across the paper requires a steady hand and a calm mind, helping students practice concentration in a tactile way. Sensory engagement. The contrast of the black ink on white paper provides strong visual feedback, while the movement of the rope offers a unique sensory experience. Confidence building. There are no mistakes in this abstract process. Every pull of the rope creates a unique masterpiece, fostering a sense of pride and accomplishment. Watch as our students transform simple strings into bold, expressive works of art.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. So here, using an string and ink, we are performing this activity. This can also be done using black acrylic paints too. Now the first step here is to apply a lot of water in a big flat brush to this paper. I'm using a normal chart paper. Also, the chart paper has two sides. One is the smooth and the one is the rough side. So here we have tried on the rough side because the water flows easily on the rough side here. On the smooth side, it doesn't absorb much. So I've noticed this, but you can try and explore on both the sides here. So here, as you can see, this is a woolen string, and we just dip it to the black ink. You can use any inks here. This is camel ink that I've used, camel watercolor inks, and we just have to make the entire paper wet with a big flat brush, like 2 to 3 times at least, because once in the beginning, as we add water, the paper absorbs. So here, as you can see, this is the first try and the paper absorbs completely, and second time once again you have to add water and the water stays upon the paper, and then you have to dip the string to the ink and just allow it to flow. Just have to do some movements and let the ink flow on its own. We're not gonna give it any direction. Just gonna twist and turn the left side to right side and just enjoy the process here. There's nothing right or wrong here. It's all about enjoying the process and being focused on what you do here. So as you can see, the student is doing it very slow, feeling it, and it has turned into a beautiful abstract painting that looks like somewhat like a big ship. Here there are beautiful patterns that has been created. Using that big flat brush, and yeah, the same process done by our students. Notice how the ink flows slowly. The students will be really interested, and their attention increases here as they observe the slow movement of the inks as they slide that string. A few exercises in our class. So here are some of the paintings that are done by our students. Beautiful, isn't it? So the main intention here is, they have to be focused in whatever they are doing. They have to involve themselves in whatever painting that they're doing. So it increases their attention time too. So here, as you can see, the student, is dipping the ink and performing this activity. Now look how everybody is focused as she does the painting, as she moves her hand left side, right side. There's a lot of enjoyment in this process and a lot of involvement. Notice how everybody is observing her, observing how she is doing. Now this is a very important thing here. So let us see on how other students do as well. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the like button. Beautiful expressions here. As you can see, Amshit is doing it very slowly, and he tried to keep that momentum over here and made a beautiful masterpiece, if you see. It looks like a big ship. So here Rishita is exploring, and as you can see, there's a lot of enjoyment as she holds the string and does the movement. This is very important. Next we have few exercises, the drawing exercise which we usually do after these activities. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like and support us here. Thank you.